Thanks for joining.
Hi, sir.
Yeah. Hi. So last time you have certain query for how to create bulk user. Are you able to got some idea, or you have some question? Can you please share your screen? I will
Yes, sir.
guide through the steps what to do. Go to home page. Go to home page. Yeah, go to home. So can you go to just search on top Azure Active Directory? Go to users. So if you see in the users, there are just wait here. I just want to explain certain things. So inside this, so when you go to Azure Active Directory, basically a users is the one. If anybody working on an organization, say for a company of 1,000, and now sometime 50 new resources, 50 new candidate joined, onboarded to that company. So company are not going to create a user one by one, right? So there is an automatic process to create the user based on certain details of that employee, of that candidate. Even it is fresher or experience, maybe it's mobile number, email ID, first name, last name, address, what are the primary details, secondary details for each of the candidates. For that, we need to fill. So there is a different option to delete the users. You can also reset the password reset for any users, user settings. So all the settings related to the users is part of this particular area. So yeah, so this is very good things. And now if you want to create single users, you can go to click on new user. If you want to download users data, there is a download users option. If you want to create bulk operation. So in bulk operation, there is an option to download a CSV file. Once you download the CSV file, you need to enter the details of 100,000, any in number of rows that you can enter, and then you can upload this. You can do it later, but for now, just download that file. Go to click on bulk operations. Yeah, can you see here? Just a moment. Yeah, bulk create. Yeah, so there is different. Just click on again bulk operation. So there's three options. Either you can create bulk create. It means, let me explain this. Bulk create means it will create bulk record at once. Bulk invite, you can invite 50 users. Maybe you need to enter email ID, and then you can invite those users to complete the process. Certain process is there, and then bulk delete. You can also delete the 50 or 100 users. Say for example, if a users is designed from the company, and we don't want those data that users who is already designed or not working for some reason. So the company wants to delete those data to avoid extra storage of those resources, those users, or maybe after a couple of years, company wants to remove. So this is a particularly for that purpose. But for now, we need to do a bulk create. Click on bulk create. You will get that same bulk create users. Here you can see, please be aware of the bulk operations, service limitations. Before using these features, operations can only run for up to 1 hour and has known issues in large tenants. Click here to learn more. This is certain warnings. So now you just click on download option once again. So you can download in your, I think you already downloaded. So go to download folders. My voice is little bad because of cold. So here, if you see, uh, this is the detail. Just expand the column little bit with, yeah, I will explain this field. So here, certain detail, as I mentioned, this is a version 1.2, then name, you can see username. So name is Vinod. maybe username is something different, email ID, password, first name, last name, job title, maybe IT support engineer, cloud engineer, technical lead, first name, last name, job title, department, which department you are working, and then address, pin code, mobile number, zip code. So these are all the details for a user. So what, as a admin, those who are working on this particular activity, they need to fill this details, right? The user on manually, they completed all the data, and then once they fill, it will save this template and then go to the UI again, Azure portal UI. So here, once you complete this, you edit your CSV file, and then you need to upload. Okay, don't do that. Just there's an option to upload your CSV file. The moment you click on upload your CSV file, click on upload that path, and then you just give those path where your Excel is there, and then you just try to open it and then submit it. But don't do that. I am referring you for your knowledge. So, and then you submit it the moment you submit it, because you need to complete the Excel, because if there's contain some error, it will not able to process. So once the entire details of a user, of a candidate, of a fresher, senior, experienced professional, any record you want to edit or delete or create, you can do it with this CSV, and then you can submit it. And after submit, you will able to see the entire users is created. So this is the one of the best way, and there are other, of course, another way through Azure command CLI that we can do it sometimes later. But this is the most easiest way. I hope you got Vinod.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got
Okay,
it. Thank you, sir.
so yeah. So this is the things that let me stop this here, and we'll discuss some other topics. Yep. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you, sir. Uh, Sir, can we create